In a country struggling with chaos and violence since the fall of Gaddafi, one man stands ready to rescue Libya: Mohamed El Senussi, the heir to the Libyan throne. His journey is filled with hope, determination, and a vision for a united future. At nearly 61 years old, Mohammed is on a campaign to gather support for restoring the monarchy. The Senousi family, rooted in 19th century Sufism, fought against Italian colonialism and ruled Libya from its independence in 1951 until Gaddafi's coup in 1969. Mohamed El Senussi's great-great-grandfather, Muhammad ibn Ali al-Sanusi, founded the Senousi order in 1837. A scholar from Algeria, he traced his ancestry to Fatima, daughter of Prophet Muhammad. During World War I, the Senousis fought against both Italy and Britain. In World War II, they supported the British Army against Nazi and fascist Italian forces. The Grand Senousi's grandson became King Idris I of Libya in 1951. However, the 1969 revolution led by Muammar Gaddafi overthrew him, ending the monarchy. Despite persecution, the Senousi spirit remains alive in Libya today. In 1982, their home was destroyed, forcing family to live in a shack by the beach. Muhammad emigrated to the United Kingdom in 1988, where he pursued his education. Now, after years of political instability and broken Republican promises, Mohamed El Senussi feels pressing need for a change. Libya is a powder keg, he declares, highlighting the division between rival governments and armed groups. The consequences are severe. Human trafficking, terrorism, and drug abuse are widespread, pushing Libya closer to collapse. He sees the disappointment in Libyans who have given current Republican leaders a chance for years, only to see no results. It's time for them to go, he insists, echoing calls for accountability throughout the country. Muhammad believes the answer lies in the monarchy that he represents. He envisions a roadmap to revive Libya's constitutional monarchy and restore the 1951 constitution. Restoring the monarchy is not just about tradition, it's about creating new beginnings for a divided nation. If the people want it, I am ready to lead, he says. The movement for the return of constitutional legitimacy in Libya advocates for the reinstatement of the 1951 constitution and the restoration of the historic Senousi monarchy. This movement has gained traction despite instability caused by the Libyan civil war. Grassroots campaigns supporting this movement are taking place in major cities like Tripoli, Benghazi, Slyten, and many others. In July 2015, members of the Constitutional Drafting Authority signed a petition demanding the return of the 1951 Constitution and monarchy, arguing that this is the only solution to Libya's crisis. In various polls that I have observed, I found that there is a widespread dissatisfaction with how things are going in Libya. A 2024 Pollfish opinion poll showed 48% support for restoration of monarchy. This was based on a relatively small sample size, and the methodology of sampling remains unclear to me. Hopefully, maybe next year, I'll be able to conduct a survey in Libya to better understand citizens' views on monarchy and their desires for the future of their own country. Of course, when I do this, I will share my findings with you. The legacy of Senousi family hangs in the balance, as does the future of Libya. With Mohamed El Senussi leading the charge, the possibility of new dawn defined by unity, justice, and stability is there. As he stands at the threshold of history, the question remains, will Libya embrace its past to forge a brighter future? And only time will tell. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative. Let me know down in comments, what do you think about restoration of monarchy in Libya? If you learned something new here, go and check out one of these videos. Special thanks to my Patreon and YouTube member supporters. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.